A day in the life of a solar technician can involve many different tasks, from solar system installation and maintenance and troubleshooting to building reports and customer education. Hi, I'm Sean with Fluke. Let's see what a day in the life of a solar technician can look like. Starting with morning routine. Preparing the toolkit. Check through your tools to make sure you've got your Fluke multimeter, thermal camera for hotspot detection, IV curve tracer, and solar irradiance meter. Take a few minutes to perform a safety check on your tools as you're packing up your bag before heading to site. Safety briefing and PPE check. Take the time to go through a safety briefing, especially on sites you're not as familiar with. Go over your PPE, check your insulated gloves, safety glasses, hard hat, and arc flash protection, and double check that your tools are properly rated for the environment you're walking into. Site assessment and environmental considerations. Assess the installation site for environmental factors like shading, dust, and potential weather impacts. An irradiance meter can come in handy here. Installation and commissioning of solar panels. If you're installing and commissioning a new solar array, follow your process and make sure to verify panel output and system integrity, performance monitoring, and data analysis. Use data loggers and software to monitor system performance over time. Preventative maintenance checks. Some days, you may be performing routine checks such as inspecting connections and measuring insulation resistance with Fluke insulation testers to prevent system failures. Troubleshooting common issues. When you're called to a site to troubleshoot issues, you'll want to use diagnostic tools like the Fluke 393 FC solar clamp meter and IV curve tracers to quickly identify and resolve issues. Customer interaction and education. As you finish out your work, customer service will often be part of wrapping things up. This could be building reports to show what measurements and analysis you did, demonstrating system performance, and educating customers on maintenance practices. End-of-day reporting and documentation. Usually you'll want to take some time to document your day's work, including the test results from your Fluke tools. In many cases, they can be easily recorded and reported to supervisors. Continual learning and skill development. Even though your day may be over, there is always a need for ongoing education in the solar industry. Things are constantly changing and updating as the industry matures. Staying on top of the latest tools and technologies can enhance a technician's expertise. As a solar technician, every day may look a little different, but having the right tools and knowledge can set you up for success.